Good afternoon, everybody. This is arrangement number 1 of our Wabi Sabi session. I have a vase that I want to show you, which is very rustic and beautifully ugly. The knobs are here, and I got this from Fame. I love it because it looks like an elephant's foot. Today, I'll be using an alocasia called Guinea Gold. It is a cousin to the elephant's ear, so they're kind of related. The two leaves I'll be using are already tied up in a rubber band. So I will just put them inside here in its place. And I am going to show you the emphasis on an arrangement on the surface of leaves. I love the surface of this leaf. It's so beautiful and light and airy and just gorgeous. I have from my garden this bleeding heart, and I'll be using it just to put some accent. When you cut your flowers inside your water, make sure that you cut it 2 or 3 times so that the water goes up to the head of the flower and it stays longer. Sorry. I'm using this at the back of the arrangement. It's the false bird of paradise, and it's heavier, so it's going to act like an anchor. So that is my first arrangement. Thank you. Goodbye.